guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jenica. So for today's video, we will unbox our Secret Angel Swap from Yesstyle. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung nasa loob because one YouTuber chose me a style from Yesstyle. So I'm super excited to open this and it feels like Christmas already. So ayan, thank you so much for choosing me this style. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung nasa loob, but we will see later on. So Yesstyle is an online shopping where you can buy skincare, clothes, technologies, a lot of things you can find in Yesstyle. And I have a code if you want to have a discount, which is right here. It's JENI QUOI, so you can have 10% discount with my code. So let's open this box and tignan na natin kung ano yung nasa loob because I'm super excited. Na-receive ko to last 2 days and hindi ko pa siya binuksan kasi hindi ako makapag-film dahil nga nasa school ako. But this one, I will open it for you guys so you can check out the stuff they sell on Yesstyle. Oh. Wait, may damit! I never receive a package from Yesstyle na damit. They always give me skincare products, but damit I never received. Oh my god! Wala na to! Okay. Ayan, nilabas ko na ha. So first, we have a bucket hat from Yesstyle. Ayan. Sa mga mahihilig mag-bucket hat. Nice. Very nice for winter. Uy. Hindi ko siya bagay ngayon, but I'm going to wear this soon and I'm going to post it on my Instagram on how I style my bucket hat from Yesstyle. Ayan, perfect. So we have bucket hat. And then, ito muna guys, ito muna. Ito, medyo na-shock ako So, ito naman yung na-receive natin from Yesstyle. So nice! And yung napili sa akin ng YouTuber swapper ko is Minimalist CHIC. So, I really love minimalist style. It's my first time! Ayan, ang super cute. Ayan siya guys. Tada! Hello, Okinawa, Ana. Ayan. Wow, super soft. Ang ganda ng material niya. Ayan. Ganda. I'm going to wear this tomorrow. Wow. Laman ko muna, diba? So, ayan. Nice. With this bucket. Perfect. Okay. Next, we have with the... Oh, I have a bag here. Oh my god. Nagkasya lahat yun sa isang package. Hindi ko na-expect to. This is a surprise package. So, eto. Wow, super nice naman ito. Look! I can use it for school. Sobrang chic. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, ang ganda niya. And buksan natin sa loob. So, meron siyang zipper. Ayan, you can close it. And then, meron siyang pocket sa loob. And you can put your books or anything na if you're in a hurry, you can use this bag. Ayan, perfect! I love the minimalist style. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. I love the color. I love the material. Sobrang simple lang. Next, we have, I did not expect this, nasa loob pala siya. These are the products. So, let's open this one. Nice! Uy, grabe! May jewelry! Wait, jewelry muna. Nagulat ako dun. Okay. I can't believe it. Alright. Ayan. So, eto, meron tayong mga jewelry. These ones are Jamiel Minimal Ring. These are set of 6 ring. So, yung mahihilig mag-Instagram dyan ng kanilang nails. You can put this one. Ayan, ang dami. Different kind of rings. Let's try it. So, I can put it here. Ang cute! So, there. Hindi ni Adrian, no? Narinig nyo ba siya? I'm just going to put everything here. Okay. Maybe here. I'm just going to put everything here and ayan siya. Ganyan siya. Super nice. Thank you so much, Yesstyle. Ayan, meron siyang kasamang lalagyan. So, ilagay natin yan dito. Super excited to use this tomorrow. So, maglinis muna tayo ng nails. Ayan. Thank you so much, Yesstyle, for the jewelry. And next we have Roy's Alloy Snake Pendant Necklace. Ayan, necklace siya na serpent. Uy, nice. Sobrang minimalist yung style niya. Ayan. Kapag sinuot mo siya, ganyan. Ganda. Very lightweight. Hindi siya mabigat. Lightweight siya. And it's really cute. Ayan. Next product we have... kakaloka. Naloka ako. Next product we have color for salt. This one is sticker. Ayan. Sticker for your agenda. Ayan. Buksan natin, ha? Sticker for your agenda or kahit saan nyo siya gusto ilagay. Very, very minimal. Iba't ibang sticker. Lilink ko yung mga na-receive ko down on the description box. Ayan. These are the stickers that I received. Perfect for my notes. Ayan. Thank you so much. Na-excite naman ako. Next product is this one. I've been looking for this. This one is 3CE na lipstick. This one is Mood Recipe Matte Lip Color Lipstick. Perfect for Christmas. Ayan, tingnan natin yung shade niya. Ito yung ano eh, palagi ko tinitingnan sa Yesstyle. Ganyan siya guys. Ayan, ganyan yung design niya. Let's open it up. Ayan, ito yung color niya. Ang ganda. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Sakto for Christmas. Ayan, this is shade. Gawin natin dito. Kasi may matte and a little bit creamy yung kanyang texture. So, it's really good. Hindi siya matte na matte. Hindi siya magmumukhang dehydrated. Ayan. Perfect. Thank you so much, Yesstyle. Ayan. Naglulubat na kasi ako, kaya bibilisan ko na to. Thank you so much. Napaaga yung ating Pasko from Yesstyle. And the last one that I received is this Charming Jasmine Fresh Floral Perfume. Ayan, this one is a roll-on perfume. Super excited because I need perfume now. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, let's open it up. Amoy jasmine. Ang bango niya. This one is Charming Jasmine Fresh Floral Perfume. Ayan. It's a travel size perfume and sobrang bango niya. I really love it. Thank you so much, Yesstyle. Ayan guys, ayan lang yung mga na-receive ko from Yesstyle. I hope you enjoy my unboxing kahit mabilisan na unboxing lang ito. These are all the stuff that I received for Secret Angel Swap. Ayan, thank you so much, Yesstyle, for choosing me na ma-receive itong mga products na ito na binigay nyo sa akin. Ayan, please don't forget my discount code for 10% discount. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!